RDS suite of pick-to-light and put-to-light order consolidation technologies that we offer allow customers to increase order efficiencies and reduce labor costs. And using the put-to-light order consolidation, it allows companies to pick from multiple locations in their warehouse and consolidate it to one area. And what I'm going to here to demonstrate for you today is our put wall, where these orders here were basically batch picked in the warehouse, and all the fast movers were put into these totes because they're all the same item. And then we had an operator sweep and pick all the slow movers that were single individual items that there wasn't as much to pick, but we needed all those items to consolidate and complete the order. And now the put wall operator, all he has to do is scan a tote and follow the lights. The lights will illuminate and tell him how many to put into each location. 2 in that location, 2 here, 2 in this location. And all he has to do is follow the lights and put the right quantity into the cubbies. That's 2. And simultaneously on the back side, when an order is complete, an operator would be clearing out that cubby to allow us to sign more orders to the location when it ends. So you can see I'm just following the lights here. It's easy to train somebody to actually do this process. And when I get done with the last piece, my screen should tell me that all the orders are complete and the operator is packing on the other side. The next batch of orders can come into my zone. I'll have empty cubbies here because of what they packed on the other side, and I can start scanning the orders, and we're going to start putting them to the empty cubbies and assign orders to it automatically.
Contact the Numina Group to drive higher productivity and increase profitability in your warehouse operation.